Hello viewers, in this demonstration I will show you how we can use Omron Nebulizer C28. First of all, unbox your nebulizer. So this is your compressor. This is the air tube. And these are the masks. Pedia mask, adult mask. And these are the filters which I will tell you how can we use it here now. This is the medication container. This is the mouthpiece. And this is for the nasal irrigation. Let's start to set the device first. Take this air tube, put the one in here and insert into the medication container. The another in here, you can see here in the device. Mount this medication container here so you can use it easily for putting the medication. These are the filters. Take good care of it because we have to change every 2 months. Remove this one. You can see here is the filter already. So every 2 months you will change this filter. If the color is changed, so even you can change before 2 months. Now let me show you the mask. This is an adult mask. This is pediatric mask. This is the mouthpiece for inhalation, steam inhalation. And this one is the nasal piece. This is used for cleaning the nose or nasal irrigation. This compressor works only with 220 electricity. You have to plug this into the 220 voltage. If it's plugged into 110 voltage, you cannot find the good result for the steam. Now let's put the medication into the medication container. You just open it like this. You can see this is a vaporizer head. Take your normal saline. If you want to use only normal saline without medication, so it's okay. You can just put all the normal saline in the container. If you are using Ventolin, Pulmicort or Flexo10 nebules, so you have to take only 3 ml from this one. Take 3 ml normal saline and inject here to this medication container. If you are using Ventolin solution, so your physician will suggest you half ml for pediatric and 1 ml for adult. So you will take that Ventolin solution and also inject here to this medication container. If you are using only normal saline for the steam, so you can put this completely 5 ml exact. There is no problem in using the normal saline alone as a 5 ml or 10 ml. It's okay. To use the medication like Ventolin solution, Flexotid nebules solution, Fulmicort solution, and Atrovin solutions, these are all the medication which only and only your physician will advise you according to your disease condition and age factors. Now plug the device to 220 voltage. It's not recommended to use 110 LA voltage electricity for this device. Then set this vaporizer head like this, okay, and put this bag here like this. And rotate this one to the fixed point. Now if you want to use the mouthpiece, so just fix it like this and now turn on your device. If you can see here, the steam is coming out in enough quantity. Hold it like this and put this inside your mouth. For example, like this. Remove the mouthpiece and put the adult mask for nebulization like this. Plug on the device and turn on the device, so you will see the steam is coming here. And this one is a good steam, you can see here in the cam also. Okay. Use the pediatric mask like this for children. And turn on the device. This is for the nasal cleaning. In case of flu or closed nose, you can use this one for the nasal cleaning. Let's see here. If you can see here, so the steam is coming out from this one. And just put in your nose like this. Now let me show you how we can use the mask. Takes the mask like this. Okay, if you turn it on, so there is enough steam coming outside. You just take it and put this one on your mouth like this. And here you take, when you use this mask, so you take the deep breath. Okay, so all the steam go inside to your lungs. Now let me show you how we can use the mouthpiece. This is the mouthpiece, you can see here. So turn on the device and put this one inside your mouth like this. Using this one, take the deep breath so all the steam go inside in your lungs. Using up nebulization is very important in lower chest infection and pneumonia patient, and nowadays especially in COVID-19 patients. Now if there is any vapors inside this air tube, so what you do, you just remove this from the container. You remove this one from the container and you turn on the device. So if there is any droplet inside this air tube, so that will be removed from the tube. Like this, you can see here. So all the droplet will go outside. Now if there is remaining medication in the container, just discard it and wash it with hard tap water. Okay, the same you this one with hard tap water, this one with hard tap water, and your mask with hard tap water, and then just dry on the clean surface for a while and you can use again. Also put your device in the bag available with the device. This bag is available for the device, so you can use this one and you can put all here safe. Many people are watching this video but they don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you subscribe to my YouTube channel now, so this will encourage me to make more informational videos for you people. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe and healthy, and please subscribe to the Pharmacist Online. Thank you so much.